Our lesson today is on punctuation, and we will be looking at using full stops and question marks. Let us look at this sentence. The boy is standing under the tree. You would notice the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. This sentence is telling us something. It is telling you that the boy is standing under the tree. Here we have another sentence telling us something about the picture. I see a flower in the pot. So it begins with a capital letter and it ends in a full stop. It is telling you something about the picture. A telling sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. For example, she is a pretty girl. This sentence tells us something about the girl. So we begin with a capital letter and we end in a full stop. Let us look at this sentence. Where is the boy going? Now this sentence is not telling us about the boy. It is asking a question. It is asking you, where is the boy going? So, as we know, we always begin a sentence with a capital letter. But now we are going to end it in a question mark because this sentence is asking us something about the boy. Here we have another sentence. What is Jan eating? So it begins with a capital letter, and since it is asking you something, it is not a telling sentence, it is an asking sentence. What is Jan eating? We end in a question mark. An asking sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a question mark. For example, what color is the car? So it is asking you a question. So you begin with a capital letter and you end in a question mark. What have we learned in this lesson? A telling sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. For example, I am going to the store. It is telling you something. An asking sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a question mark. Example, where are you going? This is asking you something. So we have a telling sentence and an asking sentence. A telling sentence ends in a full stop and an asking sentence ends in a question mark. Here I have an exercise for you to do. You are going to put in either a full stop or a question mark at the end of each sentence. Today is Wednesday. I have a new toy. When is your birthday? Jack and I are friends. Why are you crying? So you are going to pause the video and you are going to complete this exercise in your books. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember, children, always keep reaching for the stars.